Hey guys, what's up? Ashley here. I'm gonna start this new cleaning series-ish. It's not a series, but a pop-up. I don't know. There's the frickin' birds. Birds out the darn window that I keep. The barn swallows keep making nests in my back porch, and I would like for them to go away. They can make a nest anywhere but my back porch. That'd be great. Yeah. Take a business somewhere else, please. Okay, back to it. So I have been tossing around this idea here and there. Sky, shh. Paisley, what are you? Oh my God, if it's not one, it's the other, or all of them. Anyway, so I have been tossing around this idea, and it kind of just came right off the tongue, and it is Freshen Up Fridays. So about every other Friday, I'm going to start doing a Freshen Up. Today is Friday. It is today, in my time, it's June 22nd, but I'm going to put this video up next Friday, so it will be the 29th, but I am trying to do this as just freshen up, get your house-ish clean, and that way it's ready for the weekend, and then you don't have to worry about You don't have to worry about cleaning up on the weekends, because that is one thing I hate, is I don't like to clean on the weekends, period, end of story. I don't do it. I got my nails done today. When you're seeing this, I'll get the same thing, but I just gotta freshen up before I go on vacation. So, but yes, we are gonna start doing Freshen Up Fridays, and it's just to freshen up your house before the weekend. So then, that's one less thing that you have to worry about on the weekend. You can have more fun. So, yeah. My dogs, oh my goodness. All right, but let's get into it.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. Pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless. Burning the bridge that keeps us. I'm here and I'm feeling fearless. Exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where I step still, hanging in the balance. Not the life I want to live, I want to take it all. Standing tall, fear I've weighed the person you are. Oh, break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless.
Gave you too much, now I'm swallowed.
Yep, there's plants on my dining room table, or my breakfast table. But they're going outside. I just got them yesterday. So.
Now I'm the fool while you're breaking rules. Dangerous path that I follow. Oh, go on, just do what you do. And it hurts as I bleed for you, cry for you. Let me bleed as I bleed for you, cry for you. Let me bleed. Let me
Okay, so if you guys are new to my channel, welcome. And if you don't know, I have recently moved, hence the boxes and stuff. We just got off ball season. Sky, quit. We just got off ball season, so and we were at the ball fields 4 nights a week during regular games. Last week was the tournament, so we were we had like 7 games in 1 week. And then this Monday we had a game, Jake had a game, and then Tuesday Jake had a game, Aubrie had a game, and then Jake played at the same time Aubrie had her game because they won their game. But so we have been super busy. I have had hardly any time to unpack. My dining room over here is ridiculous. It's got all of my craft stuff. It's got all of my house decorations other than what you see out. I just finished decorating and putting the kids' rooms away yesterday and the day before. So Thursday and Wednesday I did Aubrey's, Thursday I did Jake's. You won't get to see that until, you'll probably get to see one of them Monday. You'll get to see Aubrey's Monday, and it's already been up, but I will link it below. And Jake's will go up the following Monday. So, yes, because I have a collab Wednesday, and you'll get to see what that is. It has to do with my kitchen. Oh! So, yes, there is 2 baskets of laundry right here that I did last night. I'm just gonna tidy up. That way I feel better about, the weekend. So, because it's hashtag Freshen Up Fridays.
all of the pain seems to follow like a shadow, dark and cold to the touch. Am I insane not to let go? Oh, go on, just do what you do. And it hurts as I bleed for you, cry for you. Let me bleed as I bleed for you, cry for you. Let me bleed.
Alright guys, so there you have it. I'm not decorating. I'll do another video on that. But yeah, I was just straightening up. But I gotta go help Jake put his laundry away. He ran out of space in his closet. So, but if you like this Freshen Up Friday, where you just straighten up your house so it's ready for the weekend, and you have one and you have one less thing to worry about. I'm expecting her to start talking. That way you have one less thing to worry about. So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more from me, subscribe, hit that button, hit the bell so you'll get notified when I upload videos, Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. And I will, and we will see, oh my gosh. And we will see you in the next one. Bye guys. Say bye.
Bye. Just feel